say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
Hey guys, we are a little bit closer where we want to be. Still have to move this side up a little bit by a quarter, but if you compare this side to this side, boy, that's inch and a half difference.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what?
This is my trick. This thing sucks, but that's all I have for now. A hydraulic would be better. It's not gonna do this stupid moving left and right. But I don't know if I can get this nick out. See in there. I'll try. But a lot better than what it was. You can see this and this and this. So I look like crap, but yeah, I guess I just continue working my way, and we'll see how far we can get tonight. See you guys. There you have it. It was a long evening, but we are almost there. You can see it's just sagging a tiny bit down, but this is fixable on the screws, on the brackets. Other than that, this bumper is just hanging in. It's not mounted yet. It's not screwed on whatsoever. Where we were before and where we are now is crazy. Take off plastic cover off the bumper, remove the bumper, and paint it, painted, and also the frame. You guys updated. Okay guys, last video I did inside of the Cadillac, and I was trying to turn on the radio, and I only had the sound, but the screen wasn't working, and I was like, I'm pretty sure the screen was working before, a couple days earlier, and I figured it out. There was nothing wrong with it, it's just me being stupid, and I'll show you guys right now what it was. So, when you turn on the car, you see it lit up for a second, and when it's on, you can hear the radio working just fine. And this is what I found out. If you go here and you go to the dim light, where you can turn on or turn up the volume, where you can turn up the brightness. When you turn it up, look what happens. It comes alive. If you go all the way down, it turns off the screen. So if anybody has the same problem, Over here, you turn it up, the screen works. You turn it down, the screen turns off. Crazy, 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 I tell you. Now, when we turn it off, I open the door, shuts off. When I turn on the car, it should turn on with the Cadillac sign. There you have it. Yep, it was just me not remembering or not realizing that I turned off the brightness inside of the car. So I'm still working on the back. I'm having some progress over there, and I hope tomorrow morning I can upload another video. We'll see. Keep you updated. A small update. A spoiler. We have new rims.